Hello guys, and this is my new vlog. This is the first vlog of this channel. Okay, so welcome guys to the channel, and if you can subscribe, please subscribe, please, bro. I'm wasting my gems for this, bro, because it's not cheap. But I've been saving my gems. Why? Okay, I'm doing it. If I don't get a legendary, fuck you. Nah. No, why am I only get? Oh, nah, bro, they're scamming me, bro. Bro, they're scamming me. Nah, this is a scam. I'm wasting it. All my gems gone. I need to get the epic chest. No. What is a scam? It's an actual scam, bruh. Look. Oh, this is good. Yeah. Oh, epic. Oh! Spoiler for Turkey. Yeah, yes, I finally got it. Yeah. After so many times I've been waiting for it, and I finally got it, bro. Thank you. Yes. Epic. Garage prep. Oh, I'm not the girl. I'm wasting it. Look at Skyrocks, I can trade for it, right? I can do it. Nah, I'm going for it. No, if I get Skyrocks, I can trade for it, right? Yeah. Last spin. Nah, bro. Nah. Oh, that's nice. Nah, bro. Trip. Bro. I had 300 gems. Now I have 20 gems, bro. Also, my favorite vehicle is the Dune Buggy. I'm trying to get all the parts for it. Yes, I got spoiler. I only need coin boost. Fuel boost, nitro, and coin boost is so OP together. Yes, spoiler, I finally got it. Yeah. Sorry. But I finally got it. Also, I got the spoiler for Moose Color. Oh, an overcharged turbo. I didn't even. Oh, I only need a legendary. Oh, it's over that fast? Okay. No, I don't like that. By the way, let's play some cups. What we go? Not small car. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, this is it. Go. Some OP guys. See, that's what I'm talking about, bro. They're so OP, like me. Yeah, I'm in first place. Yes. Oh no, They will beat me. Hey, why is the bro not nitroing? Hey, I was so close! No! Oh. Bro, I was so close! Oh! Hey. I think I am in third place. And I will die because of the out of fuel. Nah, bro. Nah, I don't think I will be out of fuel. Oh, flying formula. Look at this flying formula like that. No, I cannot beat now. He will get 5 points and I will get only 3. Because he will be second place. Nah, bro. Nah. Let's go. Let's go, bro. It's that easy. That's too easy. Go. Yeah, go. Woohoo. Yay. I'm flying. I got first place. Oh! I didn't expect that. Bruh. I didn't expect that. Also, I completed a task. A task. Oh, no. Oh, 94 blueprint. I need only 6 more. So I can unlock tractor. I'm maxing out in order. Air control. Go. Oh, this is not that OP. Scooter's bad. In cups. Oh. Yo! Oh damn! I beat you, bro, Eric. Hey! I completed a task! Woohoo! I'm not ending this video until I get tractor. Okay. Whoa! Psh, perfect start. Now, go. Eric! Oh, he's zooming! Oh, he died. Eric and hey, this rotator guy is gonna be roasted because a fuel is coming up. Oh shit. Go! No! I was so close. But I'm still in first place. I still win. But I gotta get... Nah. Go. Yeah! Go. Should I change my name? I think so. No. Yeah, I won. Yeah. Nah. No commercial break for me. Oh. No, I'm offline. No. Oh, I'm back. Let me collect the task. Why is it not loading? Oh, yes. Oh my god. And a chest. 2 gems from it. And what is daily gifts? Guys, I'm not that greedy. I just want the legendary parts. Go. No! I told you this is a scam. No. Okay. But I need to unlock tractor, right? Let's go for it. Why is it not loading? Load oh, okay. Well, I can beat this easily. These are our newbies. Expert. Well, he has a ability boost. But that's not. We won. We won landing boost. That's quite bad. Oh, oh my god, he activated the flip boost. Oh. Go and fuel, yeah. Oh, look at me. If I had cone boost, I would go very fast. Look at the picture. It's insane. I almost made my personal best. But let's move on. This is the first race. Go. I know my thing. Woohoo! Guys, also check out my main channel. It's in my description. And subscribe to that too. Let me focus while I won this battle. Go. Nah, I'm gonna get the perfect start. Sebastian? No! I'm not activating the nitro because I will die. Go. Let him cook. Let him cook. Yeah, personal best. Oh, he had a 5-win streak. And I took his win streak, yeah! And no commercial break for me. Okay, thank you for the 3,000 coins. Oh, the win streak of 9? Nah, bro. And really 300-meter race bus. Which I will get in forest with bus. And now I will. Yes. Bro, this is gonna be a long one. Long one. You remember I said I will end this video when I get tractor? That's right. That's why I'm grinding. Oh! This guy. Wealthy Polar? Do you mean polar bear? Oh, he's there. Go! I activated the 3 things at the same time, bro. That's crazy to say. Hey! And now, oh, 2 at the same time. Right. I'm flying in the sky like flying formula. Yeah. Go. Ah, shit. Hey, I think that's for rotator. And no. Please, no 1 minute. Yeah. Forgotten Highway. I haven't played this. I remember playing this. Oh, I was offline. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, no commercial break. No.
You want to make a game?
No. I don't want to make a game. Let's grind with bus. Air control this. I'm not breaking the rules, so I will use my. No. I got. Broom, broom. I'm coming. I go. Ah, shit. I'm gonna use. My wheel's gonna. I have a question. How can you wheelie if you only have one wheel? So bus will be like mono wheel. Whoa, did that rhyme? I'm almost there. Hey, do not break, bus. Hold on tight. Perfect, it's not online. Oh! Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, yeah, go, go, go. Like that. Yeah, yeah. Go, go. Go, go, go. Let go, go. La boo boo. Okay. Oh. Uh. I'm so lucky that the middle isn't even moving. I almost got it. Only 5 more meters. Oh no, 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 no. No! This isn't happening, bro. No! No, 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 no. Do not break apart. I need you. Yes! I can die. Okay. And I completed the task. And the coins, give me the coins, and get a win streak of 9. I will get it because it's wood. This is the easiest thing ever because it's gonna be full of noobs. Oh, one more task. I'm not sure it's gonna be all noobs, but if I get lucky. Yes! Yes! He's at bronze and he got full legendary. How lucky is that guy? Let's go. Perfect start. Nah! The noob got perfect start and I didn't. Am I gonna be last place? Nah! 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 I'm gonna lose my win streak because of this noob. Hey bro, stop doing that. You're gonna get stuck. Ooh! Epic. Nah, I lost. Oh. If he gets last place, I'm gonna win. I take it back when I said first. It's gonna be all noobs and I will beat them. I regret it. Oh! Oh no! No, 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 no! Il mastodontico na telepillion! No! Oh, I still won. No! Oh, no! No! Oh, perfect. Perfect timing, bro. I will get gems from this, right? If I get 500 meters. Please. 500 meters. 500 meters. I want 500 meters. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Okay. My bugs. It's gone. Yes, yes, I have enough now. Yes. Oh no, I'm at 0 gems. Returning bricks. Special stage 1. Is the next stage gonna be special stage 2? Is there gonna be special stage 3? Oh. Nah, it's all not the same. Oh. Go. Finally, I got a perfect start, and this guy didn't get a. He got a perfect start. No, bacon, bacon, don't leave me. No. Ah, I got backwards. I wish I had flip boost and activated a landing boost, but I didn't do that because they're gonna beat me. I was right. They swapped the 1 and replaced it with 2. I was right. Huh? What the freak happened? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. It's gonna be the same. Huh? Is the prayer gonna be same? Waiting for other prayer. Oh no, they're not the same. They have nitro and fuel boost. Like me. Fash! They all have legendary. Hey bro, look at the rare. Do not jump on that, bro. It's dangerous. I finally got past. Huh? It's the personal best by 20 seconds? Okay, let's go. It was not 20. I was wrong. No! 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 My special win streak! I have only zero. Go, Adam. Go, Adam. You're the pro. And you got your banner. You are the king of HCR2. Yeah, I was right. Huh? Huh? What? Go. Go, no perfect start. Go, go. I want to get you in streak 9 and get tractor like I got something sus. By sus, I'm in blueprint. I'm back on track, like my alarm trap. Oh, close call. Bro, special stage 3, special stage 2, and special stage 1. What the heck? Let's see if I can have. Oh, yeah. Hey, go. It's gonna be all noobs or something. I'm raiding. Oh, I was right. They're all noobs. Go. I skipped a few, but that's okay because I'm all noobs. And I'm gonna zoom past this stage and got a personal. Oh! Why does it keep going offline? No. Why? 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 Oh, bro. Why is the boat inside only blowing, bro? Oh man, even the XP, bro. Ad free? No, just play countryside. Desert valley, desert valley, desert valley, desert valley. Hey. And I'm gonna get you. Gonna. Yeah, that works. Oh, I forgot. Let's race again. Same thing. Go! Perfect start. And 3. Really? Ah! I'm gonna end this to play. I know this video is very long, but you can still watch it. And I got a personal best. After this, one more race. I want to get stuck there. I gotta. Oh yeah, I'm going to the moon. Not really to the moon. This is the forest. Personal best. 5 milliseconds. Oh, almost there to the legendary part. I won Dune Buggy Coin Boost. I won Coin Boost. Not for other vehicles, but for Dune Buggy. Oh! You see this MK2? That's the setup I want. But I only have landing boost except for coin boost. Sorry, I had a mistake. But I'm still better than them. It's upgraded. And guys, should mastery have a lower cash? 1 million is too much. Oh, there's no. Oh, personal best. Thank you. After this, I'm gonna end the video and buy tractor off camera. That's just kidding. I'm gonna buy it on camera. Go. No. But no, I got 4th place. Luckily, we still have 2 more races. Oh, oh, boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow. If I had wings and mastery, natural, fuel boost, landing boost, coin boost, OP, 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 baby. Yep. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Maya he, Maya ho, Maya ho, Maya ho, Maya he, Maya ho, Maya ho. I lost. And I lost the win streak! No! I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I already have nitro for the tank. And I got fuel boost! Nah, screw really boost. Put fuel boost. That's nice. That's the real tank. I lost my win streak because a stupid guy. Now I got the race all over. This is gonna take up all my GB. Been a half an hour, bro. I can do nothing but be on this tablet. I got to focus on my career. Go! I don't care about the buggy suspension. I just want to go. Flying formula with Dune buggy. Dune formula or buggy formula. Nah. Buggy flying buggy. Flying Dune. The dunes. No! No. Oh no. Oh, streak of 5? That's good. I wanna get a win streak of 5 because I want tractor new vehicle and I want that box to explode. These are all doobie goobies, yeah. I showed my friend how to play, and he's totally a noob. He's almost switching silver. Almost hit the fan. Can he even actually landing boost after the finish line? 3 more races. No, I don't want the stage. Who has 4? No. No. Let me take a break. I want to drink water. Okay, let's get focusing. Wait, I need to adjust this. Dun, dun, dun. How does he have jump socks? How does he jump like that? Does he have mastery? Coin boost activate, but I have no coin boost. Let me take a break from talking because I want to focus on more on the race. Okay, let's stop talking. Go! 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 First place. We don't have to do anything. CCEV dust and Dundagi one. Leonardo da Vinci. Just die. I already won. Yeah, I won. No, commercial break. Yeah, it's almost 40 minutes, bro. Only 2 more races. Get. Dun, 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 ding, 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 ding. No, that guy is super overpowered. No, bro, stop! I want to get first place. Oh, thank you. And these guys, do not beat me, or else. Nah, the scooter guy is back. Petit Pingu. Pingu? I don't know Pingu. The only penguin I know is Aishoya. Nah! Oh, I just need to get first place. cannot do this all over again. Oh, that's good. Win 7 races. It's already 3. It's already 41 minutes already. 44, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 41. I'm bored. But I can still work. As I promised, I will only end this video when I unlock tractor. I'm already bored. Go, 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 go. 1 personal best, and I won and got 3,000 coins. This okay. Okay. The beast. I'm bored. As I promised. It's for you guys that I'm doing this. Main goal is to get you 1,000 subscribers on my main channel and 200 on this channel. No, on this channel I'm trying to get. On this channel I'm trying to get 100 subscribers. On the main channel I'm trying to get 200 subscribers. Perfect. Very perfect. I'm almost done with this thing and gonna unlock tractor. Yeah. Please have some blueprint or else I'm gonna crash out. It's almost 45 minutes, almost. Oh my god, am I gonna complete another task? Huh? Achievement? I got achievement. No. Ah! Roll cage. Engine grip suspension roll cage. Engine grip suspension roll cage. MK2 and dune buggy. Anti-cure first friend is MK2. Like gear sticks and pedals. Got it. Do it. I was gonna exit and pick sports car, but luckily this came up and I got. I'm so lucky. Go! Yeah! Go, go, go! Yeah! Go, go, yeah, go! Go! Oh, yo! Go! Why did it stop at that time? Wow! No! No! I'm a noob. Noobly noob. Spicy nibble nobbles. J16H. What's the name? No! I'm gonna be out of fuel because of this thing. No, I don't care about my win streak. I care about 2 vehicles. Go! Landing boost. Go. Go. Happy Jailer. Oh, this Happy Jailer 7. Is that a movie name? Yes, tractor. Tractor! Actually, yeah. I don't care about that. Doesn't have blueprint. Yes. 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 Purchase. Oh my goodness gracious. I finally got tractor. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now I say tractor. I'm happy. Snowball, one of you, I'm coming for you. And officially, I will be posting tomorrow. By the way, look at this. I'm insane. And forest, look, 10,000 meters. Tomorrow, I'll be getting CCEV and drive 10,000 meters. Hopefully I get it. So, have a good day. Bye.